Hello and welcome back, friends. In today's episode we are going to learn how we can do air layering in mulberry. This method of air layering is done if we want to quick start of bigger plant and for faster bearing of fruit. We can make bonsai for this method. Mulberry has high level of protein as well as rich source of vitamins and fibers, calcium and antioxidants, which helps in reducing aging effect. So if a mulberry has this much of benefit, let's start to grow mulberry plant at our home. So here you can see I'm just cutting the skin of this mulberry branch. Make a circle like this and you can see the white sap is coming out of the skin, and remove the skin from the mulberry branch. This sap is not allergic to us, so there is no problem. And scratch the peel out of the branch. Now here, this is the rooting hormone and I am going to make a rooting hormone syrup and applying all over the cover of that cut portion of that branch. Similarly, I'm taking another branch to make the air layering here as well. So now let's prepare mud for doing air layering. Take 2 parts of the coco peat and 1 part of vermicompost, the earthworm soil, and 1 part of normal garden soil. You can only use normal garden soil with compost as well. So mix that up and make a dough like this and just apply around the cut portion in this way. So now wrap it with the plastic and tie it very strongly with a thread like this. This will prevent the loss of moisture from the mixture of this mud. If this get dried too much, our project cannot get success and we will fail to do the air layering. So here it is done. So after 35 days, you can see that prominent number of roots can be visible from outside of the plastic. You can see the leaves has turned yellow, but there is no problem with the branch. The branch is quite healthy and you can just transplant it. Just cut it off and it is ready to be transplanted. Another branch has been broken and thrown away by some stupids, but it's okay. I'm just going with this one. So now my friend Sunil is going to transplant that branch into this soil. This soil is mixed up with some compost and the normal garden soil. So here, now opening this up, and you will see wonderful network of roots down there with this branch. The roots are very strong, they seems very strong, and the branch seems very healthy. Now just plant that branch in the pot like this and gently fill up with the mud from all sides. Water it thoroughly so that the soil is completely wet, and checking after 15 days after planting in the pot, and you can see all older leaves almost has fallen out and new sprouts are coming out. And checking after 57 days of the project, and you can see the new leaves are growing in a nice way and your project has really succeeded. And you can see the small fruits in the branches. This branch is really doing good inside this pot. So my friends, checking after 70 days from the start of this project, you can see number of fruits has grown in this branch and the leaves are very healthy. The branch is really doing good in this pot. The branch, now it has turned into a complete new plant. In this way, you can turn a branch into a complete new plant just within 70-80 days. So friends, in this way you can grow a beautiful plant at your home, mulberry plant at your home without any problem. So friends, if you have any queries, please comment below. I hope you like my video. Please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you. See you again.